Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use paddle shifters in your Acura TLX. These shifters give you manual control over your gears, enhancing your driving experience. You'll find them conveniently located right behind your steering wheel. The right paddle is for shifting up, and the left paddle is for shifting down. It's a simple system designed for quick and intuitive gear changes, letting you take charge of your vehicle's performance. To begin using your paddle shifters, first ensure your Acura TLX is in either drive or sport mode. Once you're in the desired drive mode, simply pull either the upshift or downshift paddle. This action will automatically engage the manual shifting mode. You'll notice the gear indicator on your dashboard change, confirming that you now have direct control over your gear selections. It's a seamless transition to a more engaging drive. When shifting up, aim to do so before your engine reaches its red line for optimal performance and a smooth ride. For downshifting, you can use it to increase engine braking, which helps slow the car, or to get into the right gear before entering a turn. Just be mindful not to over-rev the engine when downshifting, as this can cause unnecessary wear. Practice makes perfect, and you'll soon find the rhythm for effective gear changes. Paddle shifters are particularly useful for spirited driving on winding roads or when you need more control, like during towing. If you stop using the paddles for a period, your Acura TLX will typically revert to automatic mode on its own, offering convenience when you need it. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy exploring the full potential of your Acura TLX's performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.